Our volunteers are essential here at Middlesex Health.
Going back about 11 years, I was diagnosed with a very serious illness, and I spent months in treatment in and out of the hospital. And when I was sitting in that chair getting my infusion, and a volunteer came by to chat with me, it really made a difference. It made me feel like a whole human being in a rather unusual situation. So once I retired, I decided that this was the place I wanted to give back. We've always said it doesn't matter if you see one person or you see 20 people. If you have made a positive experience on that person and left them with a smile, you go home with that smile too.
When people come into the hospital, they're sometimes afraid. They're sometimes scared of what's next. We try in every way we can to make them comfortable in whatever the next step of their journey is. This hospital has really people who care.
We look to our volunteers as an extension of our staff. They complement it and truly are a meaningful part of this mission.
I'm so glad I came to Middlesex Health to do my volunteer work. I find that every single person I meet, I want to be friends with. What keeps me doing this and going into the homes as an end-of-life doula is the fact that I know my role is to make the end of life for the patient and the caregiver better. When they pass away and it's been peaceful and it's been gentle, I know I've done my job, and so there's a sense of satisfaction.
I started volunteering in 2007 when I lived in Portland, and now in outpatient services where people come in and they're signing in for different services. It's nice to have a face down there.
Is especially fulfilling when someone comes and sends a thank you card to say that person in the red jacket came into my room and really made me feel at ease. And I can't tell you how much that impacted my stay. Our volunteers range in age from 16 to the mid-90s. We're fortunate to have programming for both adults, college students, and teens as well. We have a very vibrant summer program. We have had multiple opportunities to have exposure for future healthcare careers.
It's a great experience, not only for you as the volunteer to see that you can put a smile on someone's face, but it also has that calming impact on the patient. And that makes the difference.
For anybody who might be interested, I would say go through the training.
The volunteers come with their heart and soul. When they say to me, you know, Allison, I thought I wasn't going to make a difference, but really, I go home feeling like I made an impact. That makes my day.